everybody, and thanks for joining us for another Fotona TV broadcast, where I'm going to talk about our new Fotona magnetic device, the StarFormer, and how it can enrich your practice. The StarFormer is a magnetic stimulation device that helps build and tone skeletal muscle to help shape and sculpt the body, as well as stimulate pelvic floor muscle to treat urinary incontinence. Before we dive into the technology, let's have an overview of muscle physiology. Muscles are structures that shape the body and allow the skeleton to move and the internal organs to function properly. These are the main functions. Mobility. The muscular system's main function is to allow movement. When muscles contract, they contribute to gross and fine movement, which includes walking, writing, and speaking, among other movements. Stability and posture. Skeletal muscle help keep the body in the correct position when someone is sitting or standing. This is known as posture. The core muscles are those in the abdomen, back, and pelvis, and they also stabilize the body. As we know, there are three types of muscles: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. With the StarFormer magnetic device, we are targeting skeletal muscles so that they contract. Why do muscles contract? We can break down the process into three steps. Muscle contraction is triggered when an action potential travels along the nerves to the muscles. Acetylcholine is released and binds to receptors on the muscle membrane. And finally, muscle fibers relax and the nervous system signal is no longer present. So how does a magnetic field activate a muscle? Magnetic stimulation devices work by creating a pulsed magnetic field, which means that the magnetic field density changes with time and in turn induces electrical potential inside the body tissue. Rapid changes of magnetic field intensity induce an electrical current in the neuron. This phenomenon is called electromagnetic induction. When the excited neuron is a motor neuron, the triggered action potential causes the corresponding motor units in the muscle to contract. Now let's have a look at the StarFormer device. We have two models. First, the tidewave model, which consists of a 4-channel platform and 2 applicators for direct muscle stimulation. The applicators are placed on the body areas that are to be stimulated. The result is effective muscle strengthening and body toning. Second, the IntimaWave model, which includes a specially designed IntimaWave gynecology chair to target pelvic floor muscles and the back area, effectively treating urinary incontinence. StarFormer is based on non-invasive high-intensity Tesla stimulation magnetic energy. The StarFormer tidewave model can be used for muscle strengthening of the glutes, abdomen, hamstrings, arms, and back, as shown in the video. As well as effective body shaping, skeletal muscle buildup results in the patients having correct posture. Why good posture matters? It reduces low back pain, reduces tension-related headaches. Good posture puts less tension on your shoulders and the neck. It also improves core and scapular strength. The magnetic applicators in the IntimaWave model stimulate muscle contraction in the entire pelvic floor area, increasing the strength and endurance of the pelvic floor. The result is effective and long-term relief of uncontrolled urine flow. The treatment itself is simple, non-invasive, it's painless and doesn't require any patient preparation. The patient sits or lays down comfortably while the device does all the work. One session takes approximately 30 minutes, and results can already be seen only after 4 or 5 sessions. Patients can immediately resume their routine activities as there is no downtime and no side effects.